Hi friends, I'm back with yet another recipe from my bookshelf. So delicious. It's called the Strawberry Surprise. Because I love surprises. So here is a way where you can store strawberry. When strawberries are in season, I just love binging on it. It's so delicious, full of vitamin C. So this is one way you can actually keep it preserved for some time as well. You need half a cup of strawberries. Cut it into halves. Half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Just mix it together. And you can add some seeds on top, flax seeds or chia seeds. Or you can even blend it smooth in the blender and refrigerate it and put it on your salad as a dressing. So that is the Strawberry Surprise, and everybody loves Strawberry Surprise. So guys, if you love this recipe, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, Shipra's Kitchen, and I'll see you soon with more yummy recipes from my bookshelf.